In this video, I want to talk about how you can build a Shopify store. Now this is really easy and this is just gonna be a quick tutorial, so I'm not gonna go into depth. So if you want to watch that kind of video, go watch another one, but this will be a short one on how you can set it all up. So you want to head over to Shopify and just start your free trial, and then after that you only have to pay €1, which is about $1, for 3 months. Then what you want to do is go to your Shopify dashboard, go to home, and it will give you a personalized setup guide. So as you can see here, it's gonna tell you to just complete these tasks, as you can see. So the first one would be to add your first product. So just click here and add your product, design your store, and customize your domain. Then you want to review the shipping rates, give a name for your store, set up payments, pick a Shopify plan, and then you can launch your store in here. And it's going to show you how you can get domain, so you have another URL and all this sort of stuff. So basically all you need to do is just sign up for the free trial and follow this quick step-by-step guide, and it will show you how you can get your store launched and ready to go. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.